Hey everybody, it's Tom here again. If you're looking for a Partner with Anthony review, then you've definitely come to the right place. We're going to be looking at session number 9 in the Partner with Anthony program. There are 30 sessions and they are all bite-sized pieces of information, tiny little steps that you can digest mentally, so it, doesn't become too overwhelming for you. I've been through the course. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I loved it. I loved every minute of it. I got so much value out of it and I learned so much. So, you don't have to be a tech guru. You don't need a ton of time. You don't need a ton of money. And you do not need a ton of effort. But you do need to put in some time. And I was averaging, I guess, 45 minutes a day. And if I did feel overwhelmed, I would just stop, go for a little walk, review everything, go back over it, and generally just keep chugging along. I do understand the frustrations of trying to make money online in 2020 or any time for that matter, and having a side income. I know that can be very, very frustrating, but don't worry about it, because with this program, and I can only say this because I've gone through the program. Someone like me, I'm in the construction industry here in Australia. Someone like me can go through this course and make sales and make commissions, says a hell of a lot for this course. I still don't know a great deal, when it comes to tech stuff with computers or anything like that, but I have a solid, basic understanding of how online marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, call it whatever you want to call it. I have a solid understanding how it works. Everything is about traffic. And if you want a more in-depth view, in the description, I have a link that will take you to a free training video provided by Anthony. It's absolutely fantastic. And also in that description, there's another link for my ebook, completely free. You can download that ebook and it's a quick read. It will just give you guidelines, I guess, on the things that you need to do to become an online entrepreneur. So I hope you find that very informing. And remember, if you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel. It would do the channel tremendously. I would really appreciate it. Give us a comment, or if you need to know anything, send me a comment. I'm more than happy to reply if I know the answer to your question. Session 9. What happens in session 9 is, again, with a lot of the sessions, Anthony likes to kick it off with a little bit of a talk just to get your head ready in that right space. Now, he will give you a little talk on success. Now, to be successful in any business or in any sport or anything that you're doing, you can't take shortcuts. We all know that. There are no shortcuts. Not with success. You really need that foundation. The solid foundation, with a little bit of effort, with the right guidance, you will be successful. And that's pretty much it. Anthony will talk to you about that and it's a very informative insight into, remember, you have Anthony as a partner. He is your business partner in the Partner with Anthony program. You are leveraging, I guess, 15 years of online success from arguably one of the best in the business. When you think about that, it's phenomenal. It really is. It's insanely good. Could you imagine having Richard Branson or Elon Musk, you know, on the other side with all their experience being a partner with you? Can you imagine that? It's mind-blowing. And I think a lot of people just don't really understand how successful Anthony Morrison is. Anyway, you will, in session 9, get to, and this is quite exciting too, you will get to create your own opt-in page. Again, an opt-in page, or people call it a sales page or a squeeze page. An opt-in page is a page where people will go to put their email so they can look at your product, but before they look at your product, they put in their email and they opt in. And you will get to create your own page, which is very exciting. And of course, you'll need ClickFunnels to do that, of which, when you join the program, there is a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels, and you can't do internet marketing without it. It's impossible. You can do the 14-day free trial. With ClickFunnels, if you actually set aside a few hours on a weekend, or if it's a long weekend, or if you're on holidays, or even if you're not on holidays, even if you're still working day to day, 9 to 5, or whatever your hours may be, even if you just do 15, 20 minutes a day or night working on your ClickFunnels opt-in page, you will really, and there's a ton of YouTube videos out there on how to use ClickFunnels. And remember, in my earlier videos, I said to be resourceful. So use Google, use YouTube, use everything that is at your disposal. You know, if you're on your mobile phone, just on your lunch break, Google how to use ClickFunnels, or how to use GetResponse, autoresponder, or whatever it is you need to use or learn. And you do that a couple of times a week, and before you know it, you've just got it dialed. So you'll be doing that. You'll also be doing creating a split test link, which is in your software for your link tracking. You have the provision to set up a split test link. So you can have one opt-in page with a certain amount of information on it, and another opt-in page with different information on it, but it's for the same product. And when you promote your offer, you can put both them pages out, and when traffic comes to your offer through your tracking link software, you can see what page is performing better. And if one is outperforming the other, you know, hands down, then you can just drop the one that's not working and use the one that's getting all the opt-ins. And that's the thing with an online business too, people. You always should be testing your opt-in pages, or anything really. Just, you know, even your autoresponder emails, just even if it's a little tweak on the subject line and changing the wording to how you would want to tell people about your offer. And like I said in the previous video, that Anthony will let you, he gives you emails to download, but instead of just copying and pasting it into your autoresponder, what I did, I would read it and change some wording so that it was my email. So it's like Tom is talking to you, not Anthony talking to you. So that's something very important also. And also, if you're, you are up to session 9, your business is actually rolling. It's actually starting to get traction. You will send out what's called a broadcast email. So you have a list, you have an email list, whether it's 50 people, 100 people, it doesn't even matter. He's going to show you how to create what's called a broadcast email, which can, with the right copy, and the right subject line, all that sort of thing, you can really, really see the people that react to a broadcast email. It's very important, and it's a very, very powerful little tool, the broadcast email. And that's pretty much it. You will actually, session 9, you will do all that, but you will actually get to use your split test link. So it's going to be going out there in the World Wide Web, and you're going to drive traffic to it. It's very exciting. You're going to see, what opt-in page gets all the hits, or, they might be 2 good opt-in pages that you've got, and they're both going neck and neck, and all the while that's happening, you're building your list. You're getting emails going straight to your autoresponder, and then you obviously have set up your automated emails to go to them people on certain days. So that's pretty much it for session 9. Remember, subscribe, give me a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care, I just want your interaction. Let me know if there's absolutely anything that I can help you with. Send me a comment, and remember, the links in the description, the free ebook, the free training video with Anthony, absolutely fantastic. Check it out, guys, and I will be back, I think, with, what are we up to, session 9? I will be back with session number 10, and remember, take care. Bye.